Hello everybody, Martin Holt, President of Active Relation Products. Today I'm going to be discussing one of our most popular products, which is the retrofit Aura ventilator retrofit onto the turbine. Sometimes people in a situation where they have very high wind areas, or for some reason some kind of a turbine failure, and they want to go to a static type of vent and want to avoid a moving one. So just to show you how easy it is to install, this turbine head actually is not attached to the base for video purposes. I'm sure they're attached on the roof. Anyway, so after you unattach your vent head, so the turbine comes off, because it does have slots to turbine on the base. Then you see here, that this is where the holes were where it was attached. And then here's our Aura retrofit. It's also, you could say, bug and rodent proof, that it can't go in. So here basically you can take it and you will just drop it right on top and it stops in place. There's a bead here that basically prevents it sinking down all the way. So then you would take that afterwards, it's installed on the base. You would take your number 8 tech tip screw, and you would drill it in, and you would follow the pattern on the lid. There's 4 screws up here. You would follow the pattern on the lid to match how you install it on the base. Very quick and easy installation. If a roofer spends 15 minutes on the roof. And an additional fact I want to discuss at this point, as well as the easy installation, is the fact that this vent actually does draw air out of the attics. Those are the louvers we have facing this direction, and then you have louvers facing the opposite direction. As the air goes in, it creates a Venturi Effect, pulling air out. Thank you much for watching this video, and for more information, please look up roofvents.com, and on the website, look for the turbine retrofit section, and you'll find more information there.